Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken curry that I always cook for my boys. First, we have to marinate the chicken. This one that I always put is a bit of sprinkle of pepper, and of course garlic granules sprinkled. It's my mixed herbs, a little bit of that, and spring onion, no, not spring onion, coriander dry leaves, and turmeric powder, which is make it spicy and nice color. Bit of that. Another one is called paprika. Bit of that, not too hot, not too many, otherwise it's too hot. Some people doesn't like it hot. And coriander, ground coriander. And Italian seasoning, which is another type of herbs, but you can get whatever in your cupboard. You can put that one. It's like cooked from scratch. And then stir. Stir a little bit. And you leave it on the side. Leave it on the side with the oil, cooking oil. Swirl it around. And then you can put onion this time, it's one onion. You can put any onion, red or white, is okay. Stir it around. Five cloves of garlic. Put them together. And you can always use bay leaves if you want to, but if you don't want to, then it's up to you. Swirl it around again. Leave it for a sec. This time I'm gonna put the curry in my oven, so it takes like 1.5 to 2 hours to cook. It tastes better. Now the onion and the garlic is cooking. Nearly there. Then we can put the chicken in. Okay. Don't want to stop it. Oh, it smells nice. Wait for the chicken to go golden brown. And cover. Put the cover on. Now the chicken is nearly cooked. You can put potato and then diced potato and diced carrot if you want to. But if you put another kind of vegetable you want, and then it's up to you. And I always put that one because it make it nicer. Stir it around. You can buy in the supermarkets. It's already made. But if you don't want to put that one, then you can use other curry sauce or curry paste, curry powder. Yeah, put that all of it. And I will add it up this a curry paste that you can buy again in the supermarket. You can buy everywhere, anywhere. Like 3 teaspoons. Stir it around. Keep stirring. It's very easy to make. Now this time you put dash of soy sauce, but not too much. A little bit. There we go. And I will put sugar because it's always nice and like you make it nicer. It's more tastier. About like 2 teaspoons. White sugar, brown sugar, whatever. Keep stirring. And I can put this coconut milk that's already made in a thing. Alright, stir it around a little bit. You can make this one before and then you can put in your fridge later on. Right, wait until it simmer. I put some more of this coconut milk, water or milk. And it's ready to put in the oven, alright? Leave it to simmer. And there's my homemade curry for today. So please subscribe and like. See you next time.